How to delete sent photos on Messenger. Now let's get started. First of all, launch your Messenger application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, from your chat page, navigate to that conversation where you have sent the photos that you would like to delete. After you open up the conversation and you have the picture in this interface, now to delete that, simply tap and hold on that picture. Now, a pop up menu bar will appear in your interface. From there, tap on the option that says More. Now, from this pop up box, tap on Remove. Now, again, you will be asked with two options in your interface. First one is to unsend for everyone. If you tap on unsend for everyone, your picture will get deleted from both of you. Or if you like to unsend for you, this picture will get deleted from you only. So if you like to delete that from both sides, tap on unsend for everyone. And with that, the message have been deleted or the picture have been deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.